Emily, what are you doing? Are you making a card? What's that say? Happy birthday, Uncle James. You're making a birthday card? Show Mommy what you're doing. What are you doing? Are you having fun? Let's see how you're doing this here, Miss Artist. What's the matter? That's pretty. I think Uncle James is gonna like it. Think you need some more color? Show Mommy your hands. No, 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 no. Not in your eyes, honey.